What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this update on the Lever token or Lever Finance. We'll talk about what's possible. We'll talk about what happened yesterday. We'll talk about today, big fundamental day, and we'll talk about how you can actually win like 60,000 US dollars. I think it was. I actually forgot, but I'm probably going to put it in the thumbnail. Because I think you should know this. I mean, right now, what Lever Finance has, and also one of the main reasons why we are bullish like this, apart from that, it's also a little bit manipulated. You should know that. But one of the fundamental reasons is that there's a trader incentives program launching the 13th of December, which is today, where 60,000 USDC can be won. So if you actually want to win some USDC, and that's why I wanted to put it in the thumbnail, then go check this out. I actually do think I will participate in this because you can just use Lever Finance, which is a decentralized leverage trading platform. You can use it and you can win some USDC by just using it. And I don't think a lot of people will start to use it because of this. So it might be a nice way to actually check out decentralized options, and you're actually doing something good for crypto as well by using those decentralized options. So that is what's going on. Now, why is that bullish for the Lever token, or why was it bullish at least? Is that a part of the fees generated by the trading actually go to Lever stakers. So that increases the value of the Lever token. And that's why it went up. But those are the fundamentals for Lever Finance. What I said yesterday is that we already had a big spike up to half a cent here and 0.53 cents. What I expected is that we would probably drop down towards this level here at 3,400 or 3,500, which is usually what I name the prices as. Drop back down there, and then from there kind of start to get up again, which we are doing. But I said that if we really want to get up even higher towards like 0.6 cents, what we would need to do is we would need to get a bullish breakout again above 0.42 cents. Which we haven't been able to do so. We actually did get there, but then we took a break retest. All right, so that is the situation. We dropped down to the level I thought we would drop back down to, and then we tried to break above that, but we didn't, and now we're dropping again. All right, but the thing is that just in a normal market circumstances, I would say, all right, we still have the chance, as long as we're above 0.34 cents, we still have the chance to do something like this. But now the thing is that later today we actually get the inflation rate for the US. And that's going to make the market move, all right? The technicals and the fundamentals for Lever Finance will not matter that much anymore. So what's going to happen is that the inflation rate is either going to be higher than expected or it's going to be lower than expected. So the most important ones are the CPI, which is the consumer price index, kind of also an inflation rate. But then it's just not a rate, it's just a number. And you got the core inflation rate and the inflation rate. Those matter a lot. You can follow them at myfxbook.com, and Lever Finance is going to move depending on what the results are. If it's higher than expected, it's bad for crypto. If it's lower than expected, that's good for crypto. If it's higher than expected, because Lever Finance was already very bullish, what I expect is that sure, we'll have some bullish momentum, but I'm still not sure if we break above 0.42 cents. If we do so, we'll get up to 55 and to 0.6 cents. If we don't do so, we'll just stay in this consolidation for longer. And if it's actually higher than expected, the inflation rate, that's bad for crypto, then I do think that Lever Finance would experience a negative effect. And I think we'll drop down below 0.34 cents, drop down to 0.3 cents, and probably even take a break retest and start falling down towards 0.27 and 0.25 cents. So in the case of Lever Finance, because we have already been very bullish, the potential risks actually outweigh the rewards, in my opinion at least. So yeah, that's my take on Lever Finance for today. Quick little update on yesterday as well. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.